My BFF Hyacinth and her soon-to-be daughter-in-law Mallory are on their way to the ranch for a meeting, but it's really just an excuse for us to get together, eat shrimp tacos, and drink a little wine. I always love it when they come over to the ranch. To go over the top of the shrimp tacos, I'm gonna throw together a really simple slaw. I've got some regular cabbage and some purple cabbage. And now I'll make the dressing, which is equally simple. I'm gonna start with about half a cup of mayonnaise and some milk. I always start with that creamy base, no matter what dressing I'm making. And then just sugar, vinegar, and cayenne. I like to add a little sweetness to the dressing. Hyacinth and Mallory have been going to market for me. They went in the months leading up to the mercantile opening. I was a little busy and couldn't go, and they have been so helpful to me. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. They go to market, kind of scout out what's there, separate the wheat from the chaff, and then we get together. They show me everything they found, and we make our selections. Okay, now the dressing goes over the cabbage. That really was the perfect amount of dressing. It's a good sign. I just have a couple of more things to add to the slaw. I'm just gonna use half a fresh jalapeno, and then I have a ton of cilantro. Now I just gotta toss it up. Make sure all of the cabbage is coated in the slaw. It's time to move on to the shrimp. I've got a skillet that I've been heating some vegetable oil in, and I'm just gonna go straight into the skillet with them. The great thing about shrimp with 16-minute meals is they take almost no time at all to cook. Even some big pieces of chicken can take a good 15, 20 minutes to cook all the way through. Shrimp, we're just talking about a couple minutes, especially when they're this nice small size.
All right, getting another fabulous Pioneer woman meal.
I wonder what we're gonna have this time.
I know, she always sort of taunts me by not telling me. She keeps that sort of under wraps.
It's an adventure that way.
Yeah, I think she likes to spring surprises on us.
The shrimp are cooking away, so it's a good time to sprinkle on a little bit of cumin. I've got some red enchilada sauce. If you can find Mexican red sauce in a can, it is particularly tasty. Okay, now this skillet is so hot, the sauce is really gonna start bubbling up. And just because I can, I'm gonna drop in a little pat of butter just to add some extra richness and loveliness and awesomeness, and I could go on and on. So I'm gonna turn the heat down to simmer just so they keep warm. Okay, I just wrapped tortillas in a paper towel. I'm just gonna warm them up for about 40 seconds.
All right, I'm hungry, are you?
Me too.
Yay, it's always nice to have dinner meetings. Love it. Hello.
Hey, get on in here, girls.
Oh, your ears are here.
Mel.
Good. How's it going?
Great, hi.
Oh my gosh,
fantastic.
it does smell
What are you
so
cooking us?
good.
I am cooking you shrimp tacos, and I am so glad you showed up for our meeting.
Yeah, I love
Important
to meet.
things
I
here.
am very hungry. I want this meeting to begin.
Yes.
So I've got the shrimp simmering away. Oh, I've got wine glasses for us too.
Oh, say no more.
Hyacinth
my
knows me so well. She knows when I'm dropping subtle hints.
Oh,
that
yeah,
I'm...
that was subtle.
I'm
Yeah,
digging
just
in over
dig in,
here.
girls.
Don't mind me.
Woo, hot, hot, hot.
Yum.
So yeah, just dive in. Here,
Okay.
Mal, get some shrimp.
Ooh, yum.
Slaw.
Yes, indeed. Say no more.
And it is
Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
spicy,
Okay.
shall we say.
Okay. I might put on the side for now.
So, Mal, what is wrong with this picture?
Wedding diet.
She's got to fit into her wedding dress. Oh, I've been there. I've been there. It's been 20 years, but I've been there.
We're beyond that now.
I'm ready
You get
to be
to a
past
point
it.
where you just don't worry about it that much.
Your pico de gallo is my absolute favorite.
yes.
Oh, I'm actually gonna grab some avocado.
Yeah.
Everybody needs a glass of wine.
Got it?
Say no more.
You guys ready to go eat?
Absolutely.
Cheers.